Yeah, I've just finished eating this mango, and now I'm going to try and germinate it and see if we can get an 9-year project, because that's what they say. They say it takes about 8 years or something like that for it to bear fruit. Well, I don't really care about how long it takes. When it comes to time, I trust that God has given me more time, that I'll have time on this earth to wait it out. So I'll put some soil in here, and then we'll put this guy. I made a little bit of an incision here, so to expose the seed from this husk, whatever it is that's covering the seed. So just gonna put it up like that, and dump more soil. This is the second one actually that I'm doing like this. Hopefully it's a different variant from the other one. Yeah, and then we'll just keep watering this and see how it will work out and how long it will take for the plant to come out. As soon as the plant comes out, we'll start nursing it and grow it, into full maturity. And yeah, one day I'll be making a video on it, enjoying the fruits of it, so yeah, that's the whole idea or thing here. So I don't want to make this too wet. That's about fine. So you go and put it right where it will get maximum sun, and yeah, hopefully then it will sprout out. And yeah, let's put it here, and we'll see it in about a few days times when it comes out. We've started a few on the seed. These tomarillos, we started them on the seeds, and these palm plants, these are palm trees, we started them on the seeds as well. So we're getting good at this seed business. So let's see how it goes, what happens. You never know, but I have been quite very successful with starting from seeds previously. So I think this time around I will, and we wait for the fruits. I mean, some of the trees that are now here, more than 5 years, some, they are starting to bear fruit. So time is irrelevant. Time is irrelevant when you are in this game of gardening, farming, working with plants and animals. Okay guys, I'm out.